Highway Code Rule 130, areas of white diagonal stripes, such as this, or chevrons painted on the road. These are to separate traffic lanes or to protect traffic turning right. If the area is bordered by a broken white line, you should not enter the area unless it is necessary and you can see that it's safe to do so. So if you drove over it unnecessarily, you would normally fail a driving test. If the area is marked with chevrons and bordered by a solid white line, you must not enter it except in an emergency, such as to avoid an accident, or again maybe to go round roadworks or a broken down vehicle. Highway Code Rule 131, lane dividers. These are short, broken white lines which are used on wide carriageways to divide them into lanes. You should keep between them, so they're there to help you position your vehicle. Rule 132 in red, to go with the diagram. Reflective road studs mark the lanes and edges of the carriageway. So if you relate these two traffic lights, they're a little easier to remember. So on the left, you should not leave the carriageway or go onto the hard shoulder, so they're red. They are amber on the far right near the central reservation. This is a warning, you can't go any further because the road ends or there's a crash barrier. White is for the lanes as normal. The studs turn to green where you may enter or leave the dual carriageway or motorway. Just like a green light, you may go if it's safe to do so. Rule 132, reflective road studs. Reflective road studs may be used with white lines. White studs mark the lanes or the middle of the road. Red studs mark the left-hand edge of the road. Amber studs mark the central reservation of a dual carriageway or motorway. Green studs mark the edge of the main carriageway at lay-bys and slip roads. Green-yellow studs indicate temporary adjustments to road lane layouts, e.g. where roadworks are taking place. These would normally be amber.